Alright guys, so we are gonna start our recording with this game called Squirrel Stapler. So I guess we are going to staple some squirrels. By the way, that's a weird thing to do, but let's see what we have here. Let's hunt. Okay. Wow. Is this my bedroom? I don't wanna guess what it is. I don't wanna guess what. We came here to get away from it all so that I love. Bro, let me read. Look at my beloved, the flies have made her ugly and rotten. I wish she were beautiful like the squirrels of. And so I will cover her in the squirrels of the world. What? You're saying this is your beloved? What do you mean your beloved, man? Whatever, dude. Let's just go. Okay, what is this? Bro, either you're insane or you're just a part of a deranged cult. I don't know. And why do you have three big boxes? Like, what are these? Can I climb on them? Nope. Okay, what's this? Book of the Gru, chapter 4, verse 1. Saith the goat of the wood. The goat. Okay. Thou shalt not staple squirrels. What do you mean, thou shalt not? Should I not staple squirrels? Or should I staple squirrels? By the way, what kind of a goat speaks like this? Like, what the hell, man? Okay, is this the kitchen? And no refrigerator, no nothing, just a table with two plates with I don't know what that is. In 5 days, God is coming. Yeah, well, he's going to be surprised, I guess. That's day one. What a lovely day. And I have a gun. It's time to hunt the squirrels. Yes. Tip of the day. Use the map default tab to orient yourself. Come back tomorrow for another tip. Okay, thank you. Use tab. Okay, I'm guessing I'm the yellow dot. By the way, this is a huge map. And what do we have here? Poison grass, do not eat. Yeah, well, squirrels can speak, so I guess they ate it. And what is this? Nutty Nate Squirrel Hunting Tips. That's a weird name. Nutty Nate. You can run while standing or crouching. Be careful, it's louder. Stay low, okay. Use your ears. Usually squirrel chattering and then okay. Your rifle is equipped with a scope. Up. That's helpful. Use it to bag comets at long range, okay. Well, thank you, Nutty Nate. Okay, let's move on. How do I get this off? Okay, it's automatic. Wait, I think I heard a squirrel. That's a squirrel, right? Yeah, that's a squirrel. Where is it? Yup. Wait, I can move forward if I scope? Dude. I think it's dead. Let's see. And yep, we got 2 squirrels. And we have to get 3, I think. Yeah, I think that's a squirrel. Is it? Oh. And by the way, I like how they show the distance. Not sure how it is useful, but maybe in future. Yeah, there are 2. Okay, left. Wow, there are many fucking squirrels, man. Oh shit, missed it. Okay, I think I have to. What's with this gun, man? This is a shitty control. Like for shoot and reload, I have to use the same button. Oh, what is this? From today, geocache 15, find them all. Okay. Sounds like a side quest, but we'll see. And I think I have a squirrel right there. Just wait. Okay, got the bullets. Where is it? Maybe I should stop running. Yep. I should stop running. Where is it? Damn, a moment ago I saw almost 3 squirrels and now nothing. Just nothing. Where are the squirrels, man? Yeah, I think I see... No. Those are just bullets. Whoa, that's not a squirrel. What kind of animal makes that sound? Okay. Yup. It's dead. Yes. You're going to be the part of my squirrel soup. Are we making a soup or what is it? I don't know what I'm going to make. Yup. Where is it? Dude. Okay, I think I have to reload. And I can't move when I scope. Where is it? I think it's gone. Is that it? I just need two. Where is it? It's not here. Is that a, yes, stay right there. Yep, it's done. Okay, the last one. Where is it? Where are you? Yep, there you are. Yep, where is it? Okay, let's just slow and steady. Let's just I think it's... Damn, why there are so much... Okay, dude, you have to reload now. Shit. Yep, it's gone. Okay, I think I see... Is it dead? I think it should be... Yeah, it's dead. Dude, the best thing about scope is that if you point at something, no matter how much the distance is between you and that thing, it will die if you shoot it. Like it's dead. I don't know if it works in real life, but that's the best thing that I see in the scope. And there is no physical scope, but I'll take it. Okay, where am I? Wow, I'm way too far away from my home. By the way, what do you have to do now? What is that? Okay, that seems like a... I don't know, cell tower? Where am I? Okay, I have to go straight from here. I think I'm done with squirrel hunting for now. Okay. Wow. Okay. Bullets. I need bullets. Yeah, I can get back here anytime. Let's just go to my house. You're lucky I don't want any squirrels now, but I think I have to get back for more. Yeah, we'll see. Okay, straight. And what are these? The bulb and what are, like, is it, does it indicate the night time and daytime? Okay, where am I? Okay, I have to go here, like in this direction, right? Okay, I think that's health and what is this? Squirrel fact. Squirrels use their tails for many things, including for balance and as a parachute when falling. Yeah, well, the squirrel cycle didn't use it, so okay, where am I? Yeah, I'm going the wrong direction. Dude, if I get stranded in a forest, I think I'm done. Like, if these are my survival skills, then I'm not. Like, I'm dead. Within 5 minutes, I think I would be dead. Okay, where should I go? And which? Okay, I think I have to go straight, and I'm good. Wait, am I going in the wrong direction? What? Okay, I think. Yeah, I'm lost. I'm lost. Like, this is what I'm saying. Like, if I ever get stranded in a forest, I think that's it for me. GG's. Dude. Like, hunting the squirrels was very, very easy compared to this. That's not a squirrel. What is it? Oh, an energy drink. I think I have to go and wait. I can't jump. Yep. By the way, this is way cooler. Like, I don't know who will run this fast. If I get an energy drink in real life, I don't think I would be doing this, but yep, this is cool. Yeah, I think I have to turn right. Right. Oh shit, it's done. Yep, home sweet home. Okay. Honey, I'm back. I'm back with 5 squirrels. Let's make a squirrel soup, considering that's what I will be making. So, by the way, what is it about these boxes? What is it about these boxes, man? I guess God will let us know. We'll see. In 5 days, God is coming. Okay. So what should I do now? Should I place the squirrels here? Okay, I think we know where this is going. Here? No. Please don't tell me that's a shit bucket, please. Okay, press action to staple the squirrels to your beloved. Wow. To your beloved. I have to staple the squirrels, okay. That's one. By the way, only one staple is required. Uh, yeah, let's just go. That's 4 and that's 5. Okay, that's it. Nothing else. Well, good night, beloved. I don't want to call you beloved. Good night, my wife. That's that's even worse. Good night. I guess that's it for the day, and also that's it for the video, and I think it's enough weirdness for one video. So thanks for tuning in, and I want to just apologize if there was any video and audio disturbances or anything, but thanks for tuning in, and I will see you in the next day. You are sleeping. Okay, man. Okay.